Hey guys, just to start off this video, wanted to let you know that my Lightroom presets are now available. I have two high vibes and full of light. They are both $8.15. They are so easy to use and they really take your photos to the next level. Make sure to go to sadiealdis.com or click the link down below to shop them and tag me in your posts. Alexa, play morning motivation.
Life doesn't really happen to you. Life really happens for you. My question today is, what kind of I ams are coming out of your mouth? I am victorious. I am blessed. I am talented.
Good morning, guys. Whoa. Okay, whenever I talk in the morning in like videos, my voice goes crazy. Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be filming like a summer morning in my life. The reason why I'm not filming as many lifestyle videos right now and like routine videos and all of those things is because I don't want to show my room. Like, I don't want to expose my room before I do the room tour, because if you guys have already seen my room and like everything in it, I don't think it's going to be that exciting for you guys to watch a room tour. So I've kind of been like going around my house trying to find new locations to film more like sit down videos and also like going out and vlogging videos, but I can't go out a lot because of Corona. So also I'm trying to untangle jewelry right there, so that's why that's a mess. I'm gonna go have breakfast, and I saw this breakfast on TikTok that I really wanted to try. It was like a strawberry oatmeal and it looked so good. Like, I saw it on TikTok last night. Also, tell me why I was watching Trisha Paytas's ASMR food videos. Like, I could not stop watching them and I'm concerned. Like, last night before I went to bed, I was literally listening to people eating fried chicken and it was so relaxing. Like, I turned the volume up all the way and I was just like listening. Oh my gosh, I'm going insane. Let's get this morning started. I'm gonna go eat and have some coffee. It's a bit milky. I think I could have gone with a little bit less milk. It smells so good. I'm like sweating right now. It's so hot. Oh my god, that burned my throat. I'm crying. That was so hot. Oh, I'm like crying. Okay, wait. That's so good.
Oh, you'll have to test the Wi-Fi right here.
That's the repeater.
Oh, so does it work?
I get like 3 bars in there now. I get 3 bars out on the deck.
Oh, it's different.
Same passage.
Sounds Gucci. I'm like concerned for myself. Like, I literally am so warm. Oh my gosh. It's so hot upstairs. What is the weather right now? Let's just check the weather. This is not going to make sense for anyone who has like Fahrenheit weather, but right now it's 10 a.m. and it's 25, feels like 32. It's a bit steamy outside, so that's why. Literally put my hair up in a bun and I'm waiting to drink my coffee, even though I really want to drink it because I really want that like kick in the morning. Actually, I haven't been having coffee in the morning for a long time. Maybe I should try matcha. Have you guys tried matcha? Because I hated the one matcha that I've ever tried, but maybe I'll like it if I make it myself. Comment down below any matcha recipes that you guys know, like preferably sugar-free. Thanks for that. So I want to go tan outside, and these are like my 2 bikini top buckets. There are only a few that I can actually tan in because I don't want it to be like this where it covers like your chest. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I don't want that line. It needs to be like a V. So there's this one. Oh, actually I really like this one. Literally, what else? I also have a black one, but I already wore that and I got really super sweaty in it, so I can't wear that again. Oh, I guess I could wear that one. Oh, this one. I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. I already wore this one this week, so I'm not gonna wear that. Maybe I could do this one. I go over here. Nothing in my room is like in the right spot. So this is why I hate showing my room now, but these are my bottoms. I don't even have bottoms that match that. Like, what was I thinking? Oh, what about like these? Does that match? That does not match at all. Can I just wear yellow? It's fine. Judge me in the comments. It's fine. This is the suit. I look bald. I have to take off my necklaces. My nails are so grown out now. I've had them for like 2 weeks. It's just so hard to like use them because they're so long. Also, I got acrylics because she cut them really short, and then I was like, you know, you're doing shellac. And then she was like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I thought you were doing acrylic full set. And I was like, oh, it's okay. Like, let's do the acrylics. So then I got acrylics. I know you guys were dying to hear that story. Something that I actually do every single day to find out if it's gonna be a good tanning day or not is I use the app UV Index. It shows the UV index of where you are right now. So right now it's like 6, which is actually a pretty good UV for tanning. But then you go to the forecast, and I'm gonna cover my location again. It shows the whole forecast of the day and like when the UV is going to be highest. I try to tan when it's like above 4 or 5. So like when it's 6, it's perfect. When I tan, I use this fan. I literally got an extension cord and pulled the fan over here so I can tan and not die of heat exhaustion. But the app tells you how long you can be in the sun without getting a sunburn. So risk of sunburn is in 30 minutes, so I should not be out here for more than 30 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes. Something very embarrassing just happened to me. My dad works in the sunroom. He was on a call with like maybe 8 other people, and I literally walked in behind him just wearing a swimsuit while he was on his business call. Those 8 other people literally saw me in my swimsuit like creeping behind. But that was my embarrassing morning. But now I'm about to do some skincare. I have these 3 things, and I'm not gonna like mention what they are yet, so just wait for that skincare routine. It's 2 serums and 1 moisturizer. Let me know down below if you use The Ordinary skincare or what product you think I should try from The Ordinary. I'm really super curious about skincare, and yes, I do follow Skincare by Hiram. Let me know down below if there's anything you think I should try out. Second serum, moisturizer. Let's brush a couple of teeth. Teeth are brushed. Skin is moist and cared for. Now I'm gonna pick out my outfit. Recently, I have been wanting to kind of dress up more when I go out because for the past 3.5 months, I have not been able to go out at all. So I feel like I want to dress up every single time I go out now. So my mom and I are going to be getting our nails done. I'm gonna wear my rad choker from Stella and Luna jewelry. I'm obsessed with their jewelry. I love it. It's so cute. I honestly haven't worn this dress in years, probably. Like, I cannot remember the last time I wore this, but it's so comfortable. Like, it's the most comfortable material, and it's not super tight at the bottom. My earrings, like the butterfly ones, are from Stella and Luna. What I really love about The Ordinary skincare is when I get to doing my makeup, my skin already feels so much better, and it's like already has a natural highlight to it. I'm using The Ordinary. This video seems so sponsored. I swear it's not. Opinion on my hair. This is my hair right now. It is balayaged. I can't remember the last time that I got it done, but it basically looks brown now. And that's like my natural hair color. My roots are really grown out because my original plan was to get it done again and get it lighter for the summer. My hair does get naturally lighter in the summer, but I was wondering if you guys think that I should get it lighter again, or should I leave it darker and just let it grow out throughout the whole summer and basically be a brunette this summer. So let me know down below. Oh, also I'm so excited. Sephora is sending me makeup brushes. I feel so bad because they keep getting delivered to my old house, and then I asked Carson to go pick them up for me, and he has to like knock on the door and be like, well, my girlfriend got another package, can I have it? And then he has to like prove that he knows me. It's like so awkward. I have been using the exact same brushes for so long. I haven't changed them. These are like my mom's old brushes. Wow, bronzer really does make all of the difference. I think this is a sign. I've been seeing so many TikToks saying that I'm putting my blush on wrong, and I'm just taking it as a sign because I've probably seen 4 in the past 24 hours saying that you don't put blush here, you put it like on your cheekbone. Tried it, it works. It lifts your whole face. Like, instead of making your face look more round, it makes your face look more angular, if that makes sense. So you just put it there. The highlighter. Lately I have been using the highlight from the Adeline Morin Tarte palette, Promise Ring color. I think my eyelashes finally grew back from that time that I cut them off. I think those short ones fell out and then new ones have grown back in because I don't see any eyelash that is significantly shorter than another. I have to do my eyebrows. Ew. You know what? Why doesn't that look bad? Okay, kind of proud of myself there. I am posting a video that is actually sponsored by Native next Wednesday. That is a video that I have to edit right now actually, and I did all of the rough cuts last night, so it's all rough cutted and all I have to do is just add like overlays, text, and music and all the stuff that makes it actually interesting to watch. I changed my background once again. This is actually one that I found on Pinterest, so I can link it down below, but I thought that it was like really nice and I liked the color scheme in it. This is gonna take a lot longer than I thought. I have to get this video to them by tomorrow because it is a sponsored video. I can do it though. Those are so good. We got one. No, but I said I wanted white and then I always switch what I want. So I'm not sure. Maybe I should get a nice little shimmery gold. Oh no.
Is that like a pearl?
I like this one. I'll do that one. This is literally my favorite part of a pedi is the massage. Experience 10 out of 10. The lady was so nice. She did a really good job. I just got white, but I'm literally not going to show you because I hate feet. So hot! No. It's so hot, Mom. I'm definitely gonna go back to that place to get my shellac on. Hello, queens and beans. So last night I was looking up Starbucks drinks to get that are like healthy but not just like a regular iced coffee, and I found one that's like a double blended coffee and then you just add your own sweetener to it. I'll try it and let you know. If you want to hear my car playlist, I just uploaded that video, so click the I to watch. Starbucks, I'm coming for you.
Hey, how you doing today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm doing super well, thanks. What can I get started for you?
Can I get a tall latte with almond milk? Is it possible to get that double blended?
Okay, I mean...
I just can't have sugar.
Because I also can't have sugar, because I'm diabetic.
I'm diabetic too.
Oh, cool. Well, usually I do, like, if I like the blended, like, I'll do a sugar-free vanilla latte or an iced coffee, and then I'll get, like, extra ice and then put it in the blender, and then usually it's pretty good.
Okay, yeah, I'll try that.
Did you want any milk in there?
Can I have almond milk? So how would I order that, like, again?
When you come by next time, you'll have to let me know how it is.
Yeah, I will. I will, don't worry. She was so nice. It's so funny she's diabetic.
Hi.
Hi.
What do you today?
I have a card. Yeah, want to say hi? Aldis. Thank you. Judging by the fact that I couldn't stop drinking it and I couldn't wait till I got home to actually do the taste test, I love it. It tastes like an iced cap. Sugar-free, there's just sugar-free syrup in it, and after you get to eat the ice. Are you kidding? And this is a tall, perfect drink. Definitely would recommend, and it's definitely a healthier version of like an ice cap or something. It's so good. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. If you want more lifestyle videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell. And I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.